I just want to start by, of course, thanking you guys for your lovely comments and subscribing and checking out my new website, www.risaweiner.com. I'm very excited. It's on Google now. And of course, my group, my Facebook group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. So, of course, you know that I do a lot of meal prep and planning. It is key. Yes, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it to be organized and have things in the house so that you are prepared. Today I was at Walmart. This is all from Walmart. I started off by treating myself to a new pair of black pants. They're just a pull up, but they're very slimming. I'm just going to show you their boot cut and only $20. And they're by George. So they're very comfortable. They look good, especially because I work in kindergarten. So you have to also reward yourself and treat yourself, okay? Moving on, ricotta cheese. I bought 2 by Solani, 4 tablespoons for 2 smart points. And I'm going to be using this for baking and for cooking. I'm going to try and make some interesting things. I was thinking of a crust using ricotta. I know it's going to be interesting. We'll see how that works out. But maybe with some spinach and stuffing it in chicken. But it's delicious cheese and it's a great price and low fat. All right, moving on to the ground chicken that I really love, 2 for $12. It's by Maple Leaf Prime. And of course, you know, you can make my crack slaw. You can use it for my meatballs. You can use it for my chili. So many amazing dishes. You can make tacos, taco meats, and stuff them for stuffed peppers, like everything. And this meat is delicious. The light cream I bought, actually, my daughter loves light cream, and it's only 10 calories, one tablespoon, 1 smart point. And she likes making a sauce. So, you know, you can treat yourself and add a little bit of light cream into your coffee, your hot chocolate, or if you're using it for a recipe, why not? And she loves it for her sauces. She makes a great Alfredo. And I love this feta cheese, okay? It's also 2 smart points for, I'm just going to check again. It is, hold on a second here, for 30 grams is 2 smart points. So, and you get it quite a bit. And I love this in my omelets. I love it in my little egg muffin cups. I love it in my salads. It's delicious. Okay, so you can do a lot of things with it. And of course, from Walmart. Grapefruit. I love grapefruit, pink grapefruit. You can cut it, you can peel it and cut it up and keep it in a container. So I love the ruby red grapefruit, but be careful if you're on medication. Certain people, you know that it interacts with certain medications, so just make sure you can. I like buying these carrots. They're sliced carrots, and they have wedges on them. And of course, I like to just eat them on their own in a dip with a dip hummus, or make your own dip with sour cream or Greek yogurt. Add them to salads, okay? And I love the vine tomatoes. I was thinking that I'd make a tomato sandwich. I told my mom to make it on toast with a little bit of cheese and sliced tomatoes and bake it in the oven. Superb. All right, you can grill tomatoes and add them to your salads. Of course, you can go crazy, and I love tomatoes. So I decided to buy some some no sugar added jam. Okay, and I love raspberry. And for 1 tablespoon is 1 smart point. 20 calories, and I want to add it to my PB2. I didn't buy that, but I love PB2, so I thought I can have peanut butter and jam now and use it in my recipes, in my muffins. So, and just to have it on toast. I love jam, and now you don't have to feel guilty. Not that you should feel guilty anyways, people. Of course, grapes, and if they go bad, I love putting them in the freezer and make my grapesicles. And you can even add them to some Jello mix and put them in the freezer. They're super good and make them sour grapes. Of course, I love the Orville Smart Pop, okay? And you can have 8 cups. I'm just trying to find the nutritional value. Always, 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 did I say always? Check the nutritional facts, okay? So I checked out the light compared to the smart, and the smart one is for 8 cups, 5 smart points. So you're going to the movies, you're just hanging out, just before you're making, while you're cooking, having some popcorn is really good. Even if you just have 4 cups is a lot. All right. But 5 cups, why not? Let me turn that around. So it's the Orville Smart Pop, okay? Now, you guys know I talk about this all the time, the Saputo mozzarella. And I bought a huge amount of the Saputo Light, all right? And it's absolutely delicious, okay? So for a 1/4 cup is 2 smart points. I'm just going to show you. And it's so low. Hold on. I think I'm not focusing well there. 2.5 grams of fat. You need to be checking the calories, the saturated fat, the sugar, and the protein. Okay, 9 grams of protein, people. So really super healthy. And of course, you know, I use this in everything, right? You can use it for your pastas. You can use it like with your sauces. You can sprinkle it over on your toast. I mean, I love it just as a snack in your baking. All right. Of course, in my egg cups, in my not my stir fries. Don't put in your stir fries, but you can put it in your egg cups and your omelets and just enjoy it. All right, moving on. I like some bean sprouts for my stir fries. And of course, I bought 3 bags of the 1-minute oatmeal because for this huge bag, okay, this huge bag is only $2.10. I know, and it is a great value. So I love to have this for my baking. You know, I make oat flour, but you don't have to make oat flour, but I love them for my muffins, for my loaves. I love it for breakfast. You could add fruit to it. You can make so many things with oatmeal. Super delicious. Use it for toppings to make also my granola, etc., etc. Okay, so 1-minute oatmeal, super cheap. And I like to snack, so I bought some no sugar added candies, and it's 1 smart point, I believe, for 3 of these delicious candies. Okay, so not bad. And I decided to buy the unsweetened applesauce like this. Small little packages. You get 6 of them. And that'll be great for my baking because I find sometimes that when you buy the large containers, they go sour very quickly. So I'm starting to get smarter, people. And some fresh spinach. My daughter wanted it as well. I love fresh spinach for my egg cups, muffins, my salads. I love a spinach salad. I love it for sauces and pasta. It's amazing, just some fresh spinach. So this is what I bought today. And I know that I'm going to be doing lots of meal prep this weekend. So I hope this has helped you guys as well with some ideas. and make sure that you think about what you want to make and be prepared. Write it out. Have a shopping list, or just go up and down every aisle like I do. And then you'll have lots of good options available to you. Okay. So being prepared is key. Okay. Being prepared is key. So love you guys. Continue to subscribe and tell everybody. All right. Because sharing is caring. And I love you guys. Take care.